there guys, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Welcome to Friday. Hope you had a good week. The first week of 2018 is done. How crazy is that? For my last card in this Valentine's card series, I'm using the Truly Tailored stamp set, and I'm using this stamp and the coordinating punch. And I'm using just a small strip of the designer series paper today, and I'm going to be using the Night of Navy card base. So let me show you what I've got. This measures 1 1/4 by 4. Don't forget that you can head over to the blog post that's linked down below to get the recipe. Then I have a 4 1/4 by 11" card base, and I scored it at 5 1/2, and I put it inside card layer that measures 4 by 5 1/4. I also have a piece of Night of Navy that measures 4 by 5 1/4 that I ran through this new stripes embossing folder. This is hard to see maybe, but it's on the very first page where that picture perfect birthday is. And it's really fun, and you can do them, of course, horizontally, but I did mine vertically. So and you could have it where, oh my word, it can be raised, or that looks like beadboard. Look at that. Oh, I needed this Christmas with the Christmas in the making. Dang, can you imagine do like a little scene where there's like beadboard on the wall? Maybe some crown loading. That would be so cute. All right, I'm using liquid glue. You're gonna wanna use something a little hefty to adhere this down. So, get it here. I wanted to keep this card a little simple and a little classy because this is designed to be a guy's card. It may be Rob's card. I don't know yet. We're a little bit a ways from Valentine's Day, as you know, but I just wanted you guys to have some ideas before I got here. I'm going to go ahead and pop up this layer just because of the dimension behind it. I don't want it to buckle in a weird way. So we'll do that real quick, and then we will stamp, punch, and hopefully this card will go as planned because the other ones have not. Just gonna have this go across the middle. No, it's actually pretty, it's actually pretty dead on. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and stamp my stamp here. I'm using Night of Navy ink. And I'm just gonna stamp this onto a piece of Whisper White. I apologize if the paper moves, but I didn't glue it or tape it down because after a week of crafting, it's time to clean off the desk, if you know what I mean. Comment down below, are you a messy crafter or are you a spick and span clean crafter? I think I want to try that one more time. I bet we can get it a little darker blue. So I have this piece of leftover paper from yesterday. I think I'm gonna punch this and then I'm going to cut out. So I'm just lining it up here. And then I'm gonna cut out because it has a frame around it, and I'm like, oh, I can just, so we'll see how I do. It should be pretty easy, but see how perfect that is? Love it. I think I'm gonna go ahead and pop it up. you guys can see my little mess up. I'm gonna do 3. All right, I feel like I gotta get like the middle centered. Close enough. Once again, 3. So there we go. Really quick, easy, simple, perfect for today. So here was our Tuesday Panda card. And then Wednesday's Little Piggies. Then we have Thursday's Little Hedgehog. And Friday the Fox. So, all right guys, there you go. I hope that gives you some ideas on how to work a piece of pattern paper in your favor. I know sometimes it can be hard to really see what all you can do with that, but here you go. 5 very different cards, and all appropriate for your special Valentine. So this probably won't be the end of a Valentine's card. It will be the only like week I spend on it. But yeah, so as always guys, everything is linked down below. Thank you so much for joining me this week. I will see you this weekend for playing with me, and next week for another week of cards. Thanks guys, bye for now.